Hello everyone, we are at a factory HANBIRD electric motorcycle. Here's the model I would like to introduce now. This is our mini racing model. We call it M6. As you see, the size is smaller, so that's why we call it mini racing model. This model is very unique because of many reasons. Let me explain you one by one. Firstly, if you look here, there is no hub motor, it's a central motor. It's a central motor that is belt driven. Here's the belt, you see, it's driven with the help of the bed. This motor, we only have 2000 volts, but because it's central motor, the motor is better than 3000 watts of hub motor because it's central and it's belt driven. So the speed, the acceleration is far more better than the hub motor. Here you can see we have this flat seat, probably suitable for only one person to ride. Here we have the beautiful tank. Here I would like to show you our brake system, and here is the brake oil we are using. All our brake system, in most of the bikes we're using hydraulic brake system because the speed is so high that we needed to use it. Here you can see we have different levels. We have reverse, parking, low speed, drive speed, and the fast speed. As you see, we have here the lights on the street and above the street level. Here we have on and off of the light. We have indicators, as you can see. Here you can see the disc brake system we have for our wheel, rear and front wheel. We have disc brake system with the best possible suspension, vacuum tire, as you can see here. And let me show you the meter of our bike. Here we have the speedometer of our bike. It says everything, the speed in kilometers per hour, and here we have the distance travel. You see this blue range and the red one. You can compare what's going on. Here's the key place that you put inside key and you start. And from the back, you can also see this light over here. That's a beautiful light with indicators. So that's our mini racing model. And later I'll show you the test drive. Here you can see our hydraulic suspension and everything with very good shocks that takes up to the weight of 100 kilograms or even more. So there's never any issue. Hello everyone, we are here right outside our HANBIRD electric motorcycle factory. This is our mini racing model M6. Right now I'm gonna do a test drive. Just roughly I would like to say that this is a central motor that is belt driven. So here we go, just to check the speed and everything.